In Afghanistan, for many women and girls, opportunity is harder to reach, safety feels fragile, and the future seems uncertain. ABAAD Afghan Women Forward is a non-profit standing with Afghan women and girls, especially in times of crisis. It was founded to respond to growing challenges where safety, education, and livelihoods is limited. ABAAD works across 4 key sustainable development goals: SDG First, no poverty; supporting vulnerable families through humanitarian assistance and practical relief; SDG 4, quality education; expanding access to learning, growth, and skills development; SDG 5, gender equality; advancing dignity, protection, and empowerment for women and girls; SDG 8, decent work and economic growth; helping create pathways to income, self-reliance, and economic participation. It carries out its mission through 3 core initiatives: Humanitarian Assistance, Empower Afghan Girls Together, and the Cycle of Development. ABAAD began its journey with humanitarian assistance, responding to the most urgent needs of those facing crisis and hardships. Through these initiatives, women and families receive essentials: food, hygiene kits, winter clothing, cash support, psychosocial care, and emergency medical services. Since 2022, over 100 families and 150 children across Kabul, Kunduz, and Kapisa have received continuous support. From urgent aid to education to income building, ABAAD stands beside women and girls at every stage of resilience. In crisis, it protects dignity. In uncertainty, it preserves learning. And when the future must be rebuilt, it turns skills into strength and opportunity into independence. Because real empowerment is not only about today, it's about creating the possibility of tomorrow. ABAAD Afghan Women Forward is protecting dignity, expanding opportunity, helping Afghan women and girls help, rise, and stand on their own feet.